So here is a walk through the IB approved portal. So welcome on board, your IB account is now fully approved, and we can have a look at the dashboard where you can manage your wallet, account and rebates and all the tools needed. Now let me show you around so you can start your journey quickly and smoothly. So when you click on dashboard, the first thing you'll see here is your wallet balances. You can add a new wallet by clicking here. You'll be able to see in manage wallets as well. And there's a deposit option here, but you can also click deposit in the top right hand corner as well. Onto trading accounts overview, this helps you manage and view all your trading accounts that you have. You can open a new trading account here and select obviously your option for MT4 or MT5. And whether you want it to be on Pro, Raw Bronze or Standard, and your deposit side as well. Click open account and proceed. Now over here onto the quick user guide, you can have a quick look at the steps to be followed to get your account ready for trading. That will tell you all the steps there. Underneath you may find the internal transfer box. Upon depositing into your wallet, you will need to transfer to your trading account to start trading. So we can do that down here. So you click the wallet you want to transfer from and where you want to send it to. It will show you the current balance, the amount you want to transfer as well. You can click that and type in a figure and then click submit request. On the side menu, you've got first of all my profile. You can see your registered information, your email, password, phone number, uploaded documents, and you can easily update it when needed. So you can see I can change my password if I wanted to. You can see security questions, phone numbers that you've got, and also the multi-factor authentication as well. This is basically where you can do your two-step authentication. Okay, down onto payments. An internal transfer and withdrawal request can be submitted from here. You can also manage your payment methods and your transactions history and your transfers wallet report. So you can see your withdrawals. If you wanted to request a withdrawal, you can do that here. Just select your wallet currency and how much you wish to withdraw. And click submit request. You can also have a look at internal transfers between wallets. So select the wallet you want to transfer from and to, and the amount again, and always click submit request. You can see your bank accounts as well, your credit cards, e-wallet payments, crypto wallets as well, your transaction history, your wire transfer requests, your mobile numbers if you want to add more, and your wallet transfers report as well. Okay. So under trading accounts, you can see all the details about your trading accounts from balance to equity. You can also reset the password for each account or even view the password if you're not resetting. So you can see your account summary, the account activity as well, and your trading history. And you can generate a report based off that. Okay, down to the IB area. So you have a few options here. First of all, on My Campaigns. This is where you can manage your campaigns. Clicking on the 3 lines icon, you may see options such as IB Network, displaying your network as a tree line, referrals, referral links, and marketing tools as well. You can see all of these options. Under My Clients, it's where you can get the details of your introduced clients here, or simply enter the information. So you can do the date and generate a report. Okay, My Referral Links. This is basically where you can find your referral link to invite or refer new clients. That's your invite link there. You can copy that link. Down to Clients Activity. This is the place where you can see performance and activity of your introduced clients. Again, selecting the date of the time frame, then clicking Generate. That will do that for you. Under My Payments, this is showing all record of your rebates payment, calculation day, amount, pay date, etc. All of that information, currency, and whether you've been paid and your payment date, of course. Down to My Reports. This is all the reports can be generated here for you to have a deeper look at your performance or introduce clients' performance. So you can see there's lots of options here you can take a look at, and it just gives you a nice deeper look at how you're basically getting on. So you can see all these options here. Okay, down to support. You can create a ticket for any issue or concern that needs assistance by clicking Add Ticket and following the instructions that come up on the screen. So you select the category, the subject and the message, and our team will get back to you. But if you don't want to do that, on the other hand, you can always reach out to support by clicking down this bottom right hand corner, and this is the chat button, and you can reach out via our live chat messenger. Thank you for watching.